When we think of Apple, we imagine groundbreaking technology and devices that redefine our daily lives. But what happens when an ambitious project from a tech titan doesn't reach the finish line? Today, we're delving into the story of Apple's car project, an endeavor that promised to merge Apple's tech prowess with automotive innovation.
You've said cars are an area ripe for disruption. How important is it that Apple not miss out?
We're focusing on autonomous systems. And clearly one purpose of autonomous systems is self-driving cars. And we sort of see it as the mother of all AI projects. It's probably one of the most difficult AI projects actually to work on.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. You've probably heard the buzz about Apple's foray into the automotive world with Project Titan. This project stirred imaginations and sparked speculation about what an Apple car could mean for the industry. But in a surprising turn of events, Apple has announced the cessation of its car project. What led to the unwinding of this ambitious venture? Let's explore the rise and fall of Apple's journey in the automotive realm.
But we want to take the Apple experience even further. And we saw an opportunity to transform another fundamental method of transit, and we call it Apple Car.
Background of Apple's car project. The journey of Apple's foray into the automotive industry began in 2014 with an initiative internally named Project Titan, envisioned as a groundbreaking step into the electric and autonomous vehicle market. The project was Apple's ambitious bet on redefining transportation. Project Titan was not just another venture for Apple. It was a statement, a bold stride into an uncharted territory for the tech giant. Over the years, Apple deployed a fleet of Lexus SUVs outfitted with advanced sensors and cameras, hinting at the company's serious commitment to its automotive aspirations. Apple's vision was to create a fully autonomous vehicle, one that would revolutionize the way we think about driving. The project saw the tech giant exploring uncharted waters, dabbling with designs that eliminated the need for a steering wheel or pedals, envisioning a future where cars were not just vehicles but mobile living spaces. Despite the initial ambitious plans, the journey was fraught with challenges. From leadership changes to strategic pivots, Apple's automotive project navigated through a series of ups and downs. The company experimented with various designs, at one point even considering a vehicle interior that allowed passengers to face each other before settling on a more traditional car design with some level of autonomous capability. Collaboration and competition marked the landscape as Apple engaged with potential partners while keeping an eye on industry giants like Tesla. Yet, despite the massive investment and the years of development, the dream of an Apple-branded car would eventually take a different turn. Why Apple decided to end the car project? After a decade of development, speculation, and anticipation, Apple made the surprising decision to pull the plug on its car project. But what led to this abrupt halt in what could have been a groundbreaking venture? Project Titan, as it was internally known, was an endeavor that aimed to position Apple at the forefront of automotive innovation. However, the challenges were monumental. The tech giant found itself grappling with the intricacies of manufacturing, the complexities of autonomous technology, and an increasingly competitive market. The autonomous electric car project was not just an engineering challenge, but also a financial and strategic one. With an industry in flux and major automakers reassessing their investments in electric vehicles, Apple faced a landscape filled with uncertainty. Moreover, the ambition to create a fully autonomous vehicle proved to be a daunting task. Despite years of testing and development, the technology to safely remove the driver from the equation is still on the horizon, not yet a present-day reality. Internal shifts and the departure of key executives also played a role. The project saw a rotating door of leadership and a constant re-evaluation of its goals and strategies. Ultimately, the decision to cancel the project was influenced by a combination of these factors, aligning with Apple's commitment to only bring to market products that meet its high standards of innovation and quality. While the end of the Apple Car project marks the conclusion of a bold chapter in Apple's story, It also opens up new avenues for the company to invest its creativity and resources. The lessons learned from Project Titan will undoubtedly influence Apple's future endeavors, even if they won't be on four wheels. The impact on Apple and the automotive industry. The discontinuation of Apple's car project not only marks a significant shift for the tech giant, but also sends ripples across the automotive industry. Let's explore the multifaceted impacts of this strategic pivot. For Apple, known for its meticulous approach to product development, ending Project Titan signifies a realignment of priorities. Resources once dedicated to the car project are now being redirected towards areas like artificial intelligence, potentially bolstering Apple's competitive edge in other technology domains. While some team members are transitioning to new roles within the company, the cessation of the car project has led to layoffs, affecting hundreds of employees. This move, while challenging, is seen as part of Apple's broader strategy to focus on its core strengths and emerging technological frontiers. The automotive industry, too, feels the impact of Apple's decision. The anticipation of an Apple car had sparked discussions about new standards in vehicle technology and user experience. With Apple stepping back, existing players and new entrants will vie to fill the void, possibly accelerating their own innovations in the electric and autonomous vehicle space. Apple's withdrawal also shifts the competitive landscape, particularly for companies like Tesla, which remain at the forefront of the electric vehicle market. Without Apple as a direct competitor, these companies may face different challenges and opportunities as they shape the future of transportation. Though the Apple car will not grace our roads, the project's legacy endures through the lessons learned and the technological advances made. Apple's journey into the automotive world, albeit concluded, offers valuable insights into the convergence of technology and transportation, heralding a future where such intersections will only grow more profound. Apple's foray into the automotive world with Project Titan was a bold exploration of new territory, a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and pushing boundaries. While the Apple Car project has reached its end, the story of Apple's innovation continues. The company's decision to halt its automotive ambitions is not a retreat, but a strategic realignment, focusing its resources and ingenuity on areas where it can make the most significant impact. Apple's journey is a reminder of the relentless pace of technological advancement and the unpredictable nature of innovation. As the tech giant continues to evolve, its influence on various industries and our daily lives remains undeniable. The legacy of Project Titan will live on in the lessons learned and the technologies developed, shaping the future of Apple and the tech world at large. As we close this chapter on Apple's automotive adventure, we look forward with anticipation to the next wave of innovations that will emerge from Cupertino's hallowed halls. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Apple's venture into the automotive industry. Stay tuned as we continue to track the evolution of technology and the endless quest for innovation that defines our modern world.